Hi there. So if you are trying to access our content for our instructional design project, if you are on a web browser, from here you're going to go to cobk12.org. It will take you to the main website, and then you can click on Log In, and you're going to click on your CTLS Learn Login. And if you have a Cobb K12 laptop, it should already sign you in. In some cases, you'll get a page that looks like this. Typically, what I do is I just hit the refresh, and then it will work. It still isn't working, so if that is not working, you can go to ctls.cobk12.org instead. And it should take you right in here, if all is well. Here we go. So from here on your digital classrooms, you should have see My Digital Classrooms on here, and we have already shared it with you guys, so you guys should be able to see it on your page. And ours is labeled HeardKumariWilson, and it has this banner right here. So you're just going to click on there. And then from here, you're going to go to Student Coursework. And once on the student coursework, the best way to then view this as a student would is to come up here to this little eye and click on it. And it's going to take a minute to load, but it will sign you in like you were a student, and then you can work through our coursework from here. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.